are we? Are we at Cairo school? Yeah?
Hey, our first act of this evening. Let's give it up for Miss Choi's first grade. Come on! Show up. About. All right. This grade level, I've been working really hard on them, really hard with them. They have been learning a little bit of the same dance style as first graders, but a little more advanced. More of a faster pace. Introducing Miss Rio's second grade girl.
There was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the man in the moon, and even sometimes he would go away too. Then one night as I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow flying high. He came to me with the sweetest smile, told me he wanted to talk for a while. He said, Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that I'll never be lonely. Ever since that day, I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, that hot blood in my body. It drops, I can't take my eyes off of it. It's so phenomenally. Come on, like the way we rock it, so stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting too close. When we move, well, you already know. So it's the magic.
About this group, they are called the Minions, and their teacher is Miss Groove, known as Miss Lord. Let's give it up for Miss Lord's third grade scholar!
It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Picking orange skies, feeling super childish, no Donald Glover. This call from my mother. Like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden you slow down welcome home. Looking for a better place. Something's on my mind, always in my empty space. But I know someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes all night. Oh, gray years need a place to hide, but I can't find one if wanna feel alive outside. I can't find my feet. Isn't it lovely? Maybe one day we'll wake up and this'll all just be a dream. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stick your head up on the bump, little lady. I told ya, yeah, they say to hold ya through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, and we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. I'm feeling like a famous, the talk of the town. They say I've done bad, yeah, I've done bad. But they don't know what I know, 'cause when the sun goes down, someone's talking back. Yeah, they're talking back. Oh. At night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself. I can see
Sean. About wait, I need more energy coming from the families. Families, how are we doing? Alright, there you go, the energy's high. Moving on to our next performance of the evening. Introducing Miss Tamburino's 4th grade scholar!
Feel it changing me tonight. Take me up, take me higher. There's a world not far from here. We can dance in desire. We can burn in love tonight. Do, 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 do.
좋아. 아빠.
Đâu mày cáo hả?
I'm holding on the rope, got me 10 feet off the ground. And I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around and say that it's too late to visions of sugar between your lips. You got 100 words in your grapes, which couldn't be more precise. As the biting wind lives at the skin again. This
of the evening. How we still doing, everybody? Alright. Good. Energy still high? Alright, we are moving on. Introducing Trimester 3, 6th grade Scarlet!
I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now. Diamonds, brilliant and Bel-Air now. Hot summer nights, mid-July, when you and I were forever wild. The crazy days, city lights, the way you play with me like a child. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I got nothing but my aching soul? I know you will, I know you will, I know that you will. Will you still love me when I'm no longer beautiful? All I want is for you to pick up the phone. You can look on can I let you go? I put the time in cheeky, she hold on the telephone. Who's up for go just tryna eat you like a dead bone? Cause I don't pop it like I got you more than we just let you. I call you double to show you them boys ain't on my level. Girl, you're a mistake when you're on my girl, we can shoot it special. Who y'all know he I bet you? Who y'all know he I bet you? Oh, Gucci sandwich, Gucci sandwich. Vanilla, Gucci sandwich. Gucci sandwich, Gucci sandwich. Setting your day, love, Gucci cake. Gucci sandwich, dokanya na ible. Ilo anna tilo kuyi jonsha. She talking, she heard, can't talk about her. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Cho tao nhé con tim sẽ vì cùng gió cả chạc lời. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Đã cả gió nữ là chỉ gió xa. Nhưng mà biết gió kê, chỉ hợp cùng nhìn gió thế. Sao mong có tư là không mặc cho cao mũ. Cho cao muốn gì, cho kẻ thảo bỏ lưu nữ. Cả sĩ hơi yêu dấu yêu dù dòng lên trên môi bình nữ. Cô yêu tông đã cả nhau đi nàng thang cân số nữ. She had some moves.